Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Waves Curl Activator Gel. First, make sure your hair is freshly washed and conditioned. It's best to start with damp, not soaking wet, hair. Gently towel dry your hair until it's about 75% dry. This preparation ensures the gel can properly activate and define your natural curl pattern, setting the stage for beautiful, bouncy waves. Now, let's apply the gel. Take a small amount, roughly a quarter-sized dollop, into your hand. Rub your palms together to emulsify the product, then gently work it through your damp hair. Focus on distributing it evenly from the mid-shaft down to the ends, ensuring every curl gets some love. This helps activate and enhance your natural curl pattern. After applying the gel, it's time to style. Gently scrunch your hair upwards towards your scalp. This motion helps to encourage and define your natural curl pattern. For best results, allow your hair to air dry completely. If you're in a hurry, you can use a diffuser attachment on your blow dryer set to a low heat and speed, gently cupping sections of hair. To maintain your beautiful curls, avoid touching your hair too much while it's drying. This prevents frizz. For refreshing your style on day 2 or 3, a light mist of water or a tiny bit more gel can reactivate your curls. Sleeping on a satin or silk pillowcase also helps preserve your curl definition and reduces friction, keeping your waves looking fabulous longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.